The number one fear. Hello everybody, this is me, Henry, and today I'm here to talk about the public speaking, why we need public speaking and what are the benefits. Now before we start into that, there's a study from the Howard University that majority of the students, they rather choose the electrical shock for 5 minutes rather than the public speaking. You see, it says the word of number one fear, which is public speaking, and the second one is death. But is that seriously? People rather choose to be shot or to die rather than to give a speech on a stage. Now, is that really so? Now, let me think about it. When the first time I was pushed, I would say use the word push me to the stage and start to hit your words and start to talk. So during that time, I was so scared, to be honest. I was so scared, terrified that all eyes on me and everybody was expecting me to say something, and I was blank. I didn't know what am I going to say. So I guess you might be encountering this situation, which is, hey, you go to the stage and say something. What am I going to tell? What am I going to tell people? What am I going to say? I don't know. What happened? I don't know. Don't push me to the stage. So I can understand the kind of fear, all right? But public speaking, when you can master it, you can achieve anything you want in life, right? Think about the world great communicators or the world great leaders. I would say both of them, they are the same. A great leader, sure enough, is a great communicator. Now, think about it. Elon Musk, you as a leader, you be on the stage or to the media and tell people your vision and tell people what is the direction. Think about it. Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Jack Ma, Bill Gates, and anybody in the world, the great leaders. So most of them, they are a great communicator. Now think about it. What makes them so successful in life? Now I would dare to say this. One of the most important factor, or I can call it as one of the most important weapon they have, is the public speaking skills. So when you have this, you have the influence to the people, to the group of people that sharing the same vision or the same goal with you, and together to achieve something. That's why most of the leaders in the world, they can achieve what they want out of life and they can change people's life. Let's bring into the first benefit why you need public speaking. Now, first thing is that go into your individual development, which is confidence, to gain your confidence to the next level. So when you have this public speaking skills, or you can call it as a communications skills, that you know what you're going to say, you have the idea, you have the message in your mind, and you have the way, you know the way how to convey your message to the people with conviction, with confidence, and then people can really feel you. Then bring into the next benefit, which is you can get a better offer or a better job. Imagine if you have the great public speaking skills, if you can master it. So during the interview session, you can tell the interviewer why they should hire you by introducing yourself, by telling the people what is your previous experience of achieving your projects, what are the goals that you have achieved. Compare with the person that don't have the public speaking skill. And when the interviewer asks you, why should I hire you? And what would you answer? If the one that don't have the public speaking skills, you say, please hire me, please hire me. I'll be doing my all good. Or if you want to hire me, just hire me. If you don't want that, I'll go to the next company. So that is completely a big fail for the one that not able to master the public speaking skills. And the next point, the point number 3, the benefit, which is you can generate more sales. I know this point, more sales, that many people love this. More sales equal to more commission. When talk about more commission, you make more money. So at this point, salespersons, they love this. Or if you are the business owner, you love this. Because when you know how to master this public speaking skill, you know how to carry the conversation. You know how to do fact finding. Through the conversation, you know the customers, their needs, what is their budget, and you can find the best match with your customers then to provide your service. And then you make sales. So when you make sales, you make money. So that's where some people say lack of sales, lack of performance is because lack of communication. When talk about lack of communication, which means you lack of public speaking skills. You don't have the skills. You don't know how to start the conversation. You don't know how to do the fact finding. And the most importantly, you don't know how to close the sales. You miss out the best opportunity for making the great sales and making the great profits. And point number 4, the benefit, which is you can communicate with anyone. Now you see, at some point in your life, you need to deliver a speech, whether it is a wedding toast, whether it is a funeral, or a company function, dinner, or opening, grand opening, or your business. At some point of your life, you need to deliver a speech. So just imagine if you already have the skills right now, and when the time comes, you need to deliver a message. How easy is that? Imagine if you already have the skills and you achieve some level of your life. I would call it a successful entrepreneur, and you're invited to an forum. And there are so many people, they are waiting to learn from you, and you can convey your message or deliver your message in a structured way so that people can easily understand you and to learn from you, so you can change people's life and how to motivate, how to avoid what are the don'ts not to do, what are the things that you should do more, so you can shorten the progress for the new people they want to learn in your industry. Now bring it to the final benefit, the point number 5, which is the leadership. Leadership, I would say most of the people, they are looking for this because this is the ultimate level that most of the people they want to achieve. It could be a manager, it could be a supervisor, as long as you manage a group of people or you are managing your own company, your own shop, you have employees. Leader, they are so important. If you want me to describe what is a leader, I would say imagine this is a big ship in the ocean, and you want this ship to make direction, left or right. The only person that can make the decision, which is the captain. So if you are the leader, you're the captain. You can share your vision, you can share your goal to employee, and that everybody is on your page, and everybody will cooperate with you, and everybody achieve the dreams because you know what you want and you can bring your employee to the next level. So together we share the same dream, and you have the skills to manage your team. 30 conversation, 30 public speaking. So all these are the 5 points, or the 5 benefits that you can enjoy through the public speaking skills. So if you love this video, please leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And please remember to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and hit the all notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.